I'm not open with you. Well, that's where the wheels fell off that concept. It is pouring outside. I am soaked. Little one here got soaked. My sleeping bag is soaked. Went to bed, it was pouring down rain and thundering. Woke up. It's a winter wonderland. Yes, people, we are back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is and whatever part of the world that you're watching this in. Welcome back to the old Southern Pine. All right, you play up here. Today finds Fiona and I truck camping in the Minnesota State Forest on this foggy and rainy day. It is an absolute drizzly mess out here, which is why this little one right here, yes, honey, hi, yes, is up on the tonneau cover instead of down playing in the mud. I know, but you can't get down there. You gotta stay up here. I know, I hear you. We sure are glad you guys are here to join us. A couple just stopped by a little bit ago and they'd seen the channel and recognized us, stopped by and said hi. And if you guys are watching, it was wonderful to meet you guys. I won't say your names just because I know you guys want to stay a little bit anonymous for what you guys do around here, but they work really hard coming out here all the time, keeping this place clean. So thank you guys so much. It was wonderful meeting both of you. Fiona, enjoyed meeting you too. Pretty serious sounding thunder. It sure has made a big difference since Lovely Bride came in and added that rand of black duct tape around the sides of these things. Come on, let's open this, yeah. Let's get you in here. Girl. Well, that's where the wheels fell off that concept. It is pouring down right now. All right, well, that is oh, hi baby, it's wet out there. So we had planned to have like a hobo dinner with a bunch of cut up vegetables and meat cooked over the fire, wrapped up in aluminum foil. But as you can hear, it is pouring outside. I am soaked. Little one here got soaked. My sleeping bag is soaked. And it started out of nowhere. Like I had no real time to button up and get everything in. Ah, man. Lovely Bride did make sure that we packed a towel. So thank you, darling, for that. We're gonna curl up in here for a little bit and just kind of see what this all does. In the meantime, a couple things that I do want to show you guys. We got a little hammock cargo net. This attaches to both handles, and then if you have handles up front, which I do not, so I just attached it to the metal bar on the sun visor there. Okay, you come up. We're also testing out a new platform bed that goes, that attaches to the front seats, to the backs of the headrests there, and supposedly holds up to 500 pounds. We'll have to see how it goes as the night goes on, but I can tell you just right now, sitting on it, I already miss my Pittman backseat mattress. This thing is pretty, well, I mean, it's a board. It's a board with straps that holds itself to the middle bars on the headrest here. Again, we'll see how this goes. I'm pretty sure that the next time you see me, I'll be using my Pittman backseat air mattress again. All right, we're gonna get dried off, regroup here, and see what's going on. I've got my VTOMAN Flash Speed 300 on this trip, and it's been perfect so far. I've charged the camera all the way back up to 100. I have my Pittman Outdoors air inflator. It's charging right now. All right, guys, quick update. The rain is still going strong, so there's no possible way for us to be able to cook supper over the fire tonight. Lovely Bride had suggested that we bring our Dan shell awning, and I was like, nah, I don't think we'll need it. I think it'll be fine. Clearly, I should have listened. We do have some snacks, though, so we're just going to eat some snacks tonight for supper. We've got some food. Well, Fiona obviously has her food, and I'll give her a chewy here in a few minutes. I think we're just going to sit in here and relax and just rest and enjoy the rest of the night. If you guys would, please take a minute, like, subscribe, comment down below. We love hearing from you guys. And if you're watching from a mobile device, please click the hype button. It would really mean a lot. It supposedly helps the channel out really well. Pretty frustrated at the moment because our last video, which was Fiona's birthday video, YouTube just didn't show it. Like, they didn't even show it to all of our subscribers. So if you wouldn't mind, please like, subscribe. If you're willing to share the video with somebody else, that would really mean a lot to me. And yeah, and comment, please. We absolutely love hearing from you guys. We really appreciate you guys. I think it is time for some snacks and to watch a movie. The rain has been crazy all night, and there's even been a fair amount of thunder. I don't think I got it turned on in time to catch it, but hopefully there will be more. Hopefully the mic caught that. This has been crazy. Little one, we gotta get you undressed, baby. Come here. Yeah, we gotta get you out of this contraption. There we go. There we go. I know. All right. All right, get you rubbed down. Yeah. Oh, I know. Oh, yeah. How's that? All right, y'all. Well, that's us done for the night. It is getting late. I am looking forward to the gentle pitter-patter of rain on the roof as we sleep. Unless anything else exciting happens, I'll see you guys first thing in the morning. Good night. Went to bed, it was pouring down rain and thundering. Woke up. It's a winter wonderland. We've already gotten probably 2 inches of snow. Watch your ass. Oh, that's rude. Good morning, everybody. That was a spectacular night of sleep. It rained for quite some time. At 5:30 this morning, I opened the door to step outside for a minute, and the door was frozen. I held the handle up and gave it an above average push, and it kicked open, and a bunch of snow fell in. And looked outside, and there was 1.5 to 2 inches of snow. It was still coming down pretty good, so that was awesome. But we slept fantastic. All give us a few minutes to wake up, and let's go see what the conditions are like outside. All right, we are going to go take a little bit of a morning hike. Let us both stretch our legs a little. All right, good girl, go play. All right, and after that little walk, we are both cold. We're curled back up under the sleeping bag. We're just gonna hang out here for a little bit, and I don't know, maybe watch another movie or something. It's still pretty early, and we'll figure out what to do for breakfast. Right for the night. I think it's implied. That into our Jewel, Stock Photovoltaics Jewel. Get that set to drink, turn that on. Set that safely right there. All right, you guys, really simple oatmeal this morning. Having a happy, quiet, restful morning. So let's pray real quick and enjoy our breakfast. Way too hot. Way too hot. I used a little too much water, but good is good. All right, y'all. I think that's probably going to about do it for this episode. If you've stuck around this long, I truly want to thank you. It really does mean a lot to us. Please consider liking, subscribing, comment down below, and clicking that hype button if you're watching from a mobile device within the first 7 days of this upload. I hope you guys have had as much fun backseat truck camping in the rain and the snow as we have. And until we meet again under the old Southern Pine, stay safe.
God bless.